going, guys? This is Dan with the Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson, Warwick and Exeter, Rhode Island. Out here today with this 2019 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special in Billiard Blue. Blacked out Milwaukee A114 engine, 6-speed cruise drive transmission, stretch Street Glide Special saddlebags. This bike's got the Boombox GTS infotainment system with a place to charge your smart device. Start this bike so you can hear it. Looks good and sounds good. So come on down to Ocean State Harley in Warwick and Exeter, Rhode Island. Check out our full inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. Appreciate you watching, guys. Have a great day.